Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Kerrigan Parker, and this is Patriot Vision for Friday, October 3rd. There isn't a football game tonight, but this weekend, varsity cross country runs in the Jesse Owens Classic, and swim has their North Half Championship meet. Let's take a moment and learn more about what a North Half Championship meet looks like.
North Half is a step under state, and it's like a regional championship meet.
Awesome. Lewisburg's looking pretty good in the rankings so far. We have a pretty good lineup of kids. Tupelo's been the biggest problem for us so far. They have a good team, but I think we have a better team.
The senior ACT is on Tuesday, October 14th. If you haven't installed the ACT Test Nav on your computer, please see Maddie Hammond in the library during Patriot time or between classes. If you don't have this installed on your computer, you will not be able to test. It's time for a fall break weather report.
Good morning, Patriots. This is Jay Ramsey to bring you your fall break weather. Before we start today, I just want to say the entirety of this script was written by Jake Parker, who failed to do it on time, so please bear with me. Fall break weather is here. Well, Mississippi's version of it, which means prepare to keep the hoodies and tank tops on standby for whatever weather this amazing state chooses to bring us. Starting with Friday, the sun's clocking in for work with a high of 86, pretty much the perfect temperature to leave your jacket at the house because it feels nice out, and then regret it later in your math teacher's freezing cold classroom. So get outside, enjoy that sunshine. Hashtag high five. On to Saturday, sunny again with a high of 84, a low of 64. That's ideal for yard work, but let's be real, nobody but your dad is doing that. No major rain in forecast, so outdoor plans are a go. That means pumpkin patches, corn mazes, bonfires, and yes, even pretending like you like pumpkin spice lattes just for your Instagram highlights. Sunday, a bright 87 degrees, perfect for sunglasses, shorts, and complaining that it's way too hot for October. With 69 as your low, Sunday might be the day to stay in the cozy indoors. Getting back to the weekdays, for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are all highs of 80 through 85, with lows of 65. All that means is you're going to be wearing a sweatshirt in the morning, short sleeves by third block, because Mother Nature just can't commit, so neither should you. But make sure to bring your umbrella, as we should be getting some rain on Monday. Friday, back to 84 and sunny. At this point, you should know the format. It's going to be in the 80s. It's going to be in the lows of 65. For Saturday, highs of 83, lows of 60. Good day for college football, bad day for black t-shirts. On to Sunday, a nice 78. The first time we're seeing anything in the 70s. But don't worry, maybe we'll see real fall. Hopefully by Christmas. Well, that's your forecast. 9 straight days of sunshine and the temps in the 80s. Basically, we're living in the longest summer. So enjoy it, Patriots. Don't waste time scrolling on TikTok. Go enjoy the great outdoors. For Patriot Vision, this is Jake Parker. Just kidding, it's not. It's Jay Ramsey. But again, he forgot to do it on time, so it's me now.
Since we just learned the weather is going to be beautiful, if you're in town, come support Lewisburg Volleyball in their first round of playoffs against Starkville at LHS. Be there and be loud. On Friday, October 10th, football plays at DeSoto Central. On Saturday, October 11th, band has state marching evaluations in Grenada, and cross country hosts the DeSoto County Championship at LHS. Good luck everyone on your fall break sports. Patriot Vision will be right back.
Here we go.
This week's Teacher Spotlight is Miss Johnson. We asked her where she went to college,
I graduated from Ole Miss.
how long she's been teaching,
This is year 8.
why she chose Lewisburg,
My husband and I just moved back to the area. He's worked here before and always spoke so highly of the school that I just knew I had to get in.
and what her favorite thing about being a teacher was.
My favorite thing about being a teacher is that every day is a little bit different, from working with students to working with families. Keeps things new and entertaining.
Welcome to the Berg, Miss Johnson. For Patriot Vision, this is Kerrigan Parker. Congratulations to the members of the 25-26 bowling team. These students need to find Coach Hammond on Friday during lunch to get more information about the season. And finally, don't forget, if you missed any episodes, you can always find us on YouTube. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fall break.